It's Friday, my dudes! Yeah! We made it! I'm just so happy. I'm like out of breath, I'm so happy. I already let the dogs out. I've been slow cooking pork all day and it smells amazing. So it's gonna be a good day. We're waiting for our friends to show up. And then we're gonna walk to the park, maybe, to play some Pokemon Go. And then we'll watch a movie and just chill out. That's what Friday's gonna be today. Just chilling out. I'm pretty pumped. Flash forward, we're at the park playing Pokemon Go, and there's a Pokemon right here. Hey, what are you doing? You gonna follow us? Come on, let's go. Come on. Hey. Hey. Look at you. You're so pretty. Okay, back to Pokemon. There's this cave at the park, but it's definitely, it's all boarded up. I bet there's Pokemon in there. Brooks Mine. Oh, they're moving on without me. So you guys remember last time we talked about going down there? We're gonna do it today. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump, Andy. How do we get down there, Courtney?
What?
Gina, hi,
We'll
Gina.
go across the bridge down that way.
Okay.
Gina, how do you get down there?
Gina, tell us how to get down there. I don't know.
I'm concerned that his phone is over the edge.
I've got grip like what's an animal with sticky hands?
Cats.
Monkey.
Monkey.
No banana.
Banana, I got banana hands.
You're gonna be like throwing Pokeballs and your phone's just gonna...
Sloths actually have like textured grips.
He is slow like a sloth.
I got hands like shark skin. Only I'm grabbing everything backwards. See? Look at these hard-working hands.
I feel like something terrible is gonna happen to us this way.
Hey, yeah, film.
You ever wanted to come like play like wiffle ball or something?
Oh, wiffle ball.
God damn it. I was just got...
It's so pretty here.
There's like something is like...
Oh, there's a shortcut. Why didn't we take the shortcut?
No, James, that's clearly somebody like over time made that.
That's the Black Diamond Trail. Oh, this is really nice. Sasquatch?
There's only skitties on this trail.
Because it's a skitty town.
I don't want it.
Skitty town.
I got one cat. That cat was the nearest.
Oh, it's nice and it's like the perfect temperature right now.
Yeah, I'm kind of glad that there's not bugs eating us alive.
Shortcut.
I feel like there would be.
Shortcut?
Red spade trail.
I don't think that's a shortcut. It's just going down to the river.
That's clearly a shortcut.
To the river.
Right.
I didn't know there was limited entrance.
What are these benches? What's this say? $1989. It's the year you were born.
Mm-hmm. There's an overlook on it.
That's where we're going.
Yeah.
We went from really nice stairs to shortcut. This is getting exciting.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh, I'm so excited. 1,200?
I'm looking at nature. Look at nature. Wow.
You're gonna miss nature when Bezos takes over the planet and turns everything into an Alexa-operated device.
Like this mountain's Alexa.
Yeah.
Alexa, play Despacito.
Just starts playing out of
Despacito.
the little rock speakers. Pick a new Pokemon first.
It's starting to get like ethereal down here. Look at that waterfall. I wonder how many...
Jim Henson movie. Like the one dark crystal.
The dark crystal. Whoa. Oh, Andy's down. Are you okay?
That's what I literally just said. I should actually have wore shoes.
Like, it's slippery, and you're like, poof.
Oh, you're wearing flip-flops.
Flipper flap.
My man.
If it's possible, he will fall.
Well, it was possible and he did.
James.
What?
Why is Earth actually
I don't know. This is awesome. Look at that. This is gorgeous.
Like, set of tubs.
Oh, this looks awesome. Can we swim here?
Yeah, why not? You can do whatever the hell you want.
Well, there's all these signs that say, like, don't leave the trail. It's like,
Yeah, signs are just suggestions.
James, last time you were here, we saw people swimming.
I know, but it looks so, like...
It looks so deep. It looks kind of blue, doesn't it?
I don't know.
It looks really, really blue on camera.
The question is, how is it getting out?
Well, you come this way.
Right, but like, look how far it goes.
Yeah, that's the issue. You gotta swim all the way down.
Yeah, roughly.
But I mean, even if all you gotta do is swim down here, it's not that bad.
No.
You kind of make your way back up, I guess, over here.
It looks so blue on camera.
Does it? Let me see.
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah. I bet it tastes pretty good.
Like, look at that. Courtney, look.
Yeah, it looks great.
I bet it's the minerals from the rocks.
Please don't hold your phone over the edge.
Is it toted out?
You and Andy.
No, I just fall. She just moves it.
I don't know how to
That's
get
the one
over
you were looking at.
I think so, yeah. From up there. The water looks so nice. Look at that. It really does look like it's out of a model train set. We should go in there. No? We found a book swap on the road. Look at that. littlefreelibrary.org.
Free library or maybe
It says Little Free Library. Oh, it's just copies of 1984 in here.
Yeah.
It is very nice looking at night. They need more like lights on the front though. A little bit, yeah. And the fountain's on. Oh, it's RGB. Can probably play video games real well. The statue's catching a Pokemon right now.
Statue of limitations, catching too many Pokemon there.
They need like bigger lights going up the sides.
On the door. Hey!
Sir?
Can't see it at night.
I almost walked into it.
Yeah, we need the stone
It's like the perfect temperature right now.
Where the little binoculars are on the screen.
Yeah, I do that.
Do like a daily research. So like when you do it for 7 days in a row, you have to last day you get that one.
Who's that frog? Is he gonna go anywhere? There he goes. You're free. He's free now. Well, that was a fun day. The temperature dropped and the humidity levels dropped and we just kind of walked around and we went to places we've never been to at the park, so that was fun. But then we came back here and we just kind of hung out. We had the pulled pork was amazing, very good, and we just kind of sat and chilled. But it is late and we had a good day, right, Courtney?
Yeah, and we have lots of pork left over.
Yeah, we have a ton of pork. It was like a huge pork shoulder, like huge. And tomorrow is Saturday. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. I know we have some plans. I think I have to go get fitted for our friend's wedding. I have to get fitted for the tux and probably some other errands. But yeah, Good Friday. So I hope you had a good Friday and we're gonna go to bed. So good night and we'll see you real soon.